Today I am here to explain about the PGCET MCA 2006 rank versus college and expected cutoff. That means for your rank which college you can get. This helps to do the option entry very easily and prioritize and get your college very easily. So to help you I am doing this video. This is for MCA colleges and their expected rank to get that colleges based on previous year trends and all cutoffs. I done this video, so I am explaining about the colleges and ranks here. So you based on your rank you can choose and prioritize your college. To make your work easy I want to explain about rank and expected cutoff of the college. So for this the first one is RV College of Engineering. RV College of Engineering, which is located in Bengaluru, which occupies the under cutoff of 30 to 60. If your rank comes under 30 to 60, in between or 30 to 60, you can get RV College of Engineering. And next is University Visvesvaraya College of Engineering, UVCE, which is located in Bengaluru. If your rank is in between 50 to 120, you can get this college. It is first round seat allotment cutoffs. So it can vary for second round if your rank is near or little more than this rank. You can get this college in second round. And next college is BMS College of Engineering. This is also located in Bengaluru. This comes under the rank of in between 130 to 250. So the next college is MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology, which is also located in Bengaluru. It is comes under 180 to 300 rank. So till this it is under 500 ranking colleges comes under tier 1. The next tier 2 colleges. For tier 2 colleges it comes 500 to 1000. Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, DSE, which is located in Bengaluru, and for rank of in between 550 to 900 you can select this college in first round as first priority in option entry. The BMS Institute of Technology located in Bengaluru, this rank is 700 to 1200. So if your rank is under 1500 you can choose this college as your priority. JSS Academy of Technical Education, this for 800 to 1400 rank. Nitte Meenakshi Institute of Technology 1000 to 1800. Sorry, this is okay but it is not included for PGCET. It has its own exam that is called NUCAT. So it has its own university like Nitte University. You have to write its own exam. It is removed from the PGCET. So my next task is these rank are expected cutoff for general merit category only. So visit the KA website during option entry and make more backup colleges. More backup colleges, the more chance of getting your favorite college. So this is my priority. And for low rank, in between rank, be for 2000 to 4000 rank if you got BNM Institute of Technology, this is for 1200 to 2000 in first round seat allotment I am saying, because in second round if rank is little more you can get that college. So that I am saying. Next is RNS Institute of Technology in Bengaluru, between 1600 to 2600. So next is President's University. It is not that President's University, that PES University requires rank between or under 500. This PES University requires 2000 to 3200. Reva University rank is 2500 to 4000. So If you got rank in between this rank, you can easily target this college in your option entry. And I am saying more options, better chances at a good college. So you need to give more backup colleges, then only you can get your favorite college. So this I am saying. And next, Acharya Institute of Management and Science. For if your rank is more that 3700 to 5500, you can get this college. CMR University, it can also available 4000 to 6000 rank. If it is in second round seat allotment, you can get it for 7000 rank also if seats are there. The next is New Horizon College of Engineering, 3500 to 6000, and East West Institute of Technology for 4000 to 7000, 4500 to 7000. These are the MCA colleges and MCA expected cutoff, so you have to know this. And next is, for if your rank is little low, you can get, if your rank is above 7,000, you can also target these colleges like Cambridge Institute of Technology, T. John College of Engineering, Don Bosco Institute of Technology, City Engineering College, KNS Institute of Technology above 7,000. And fill many options as possible. Check mock allotment modify options. Stay updated with KEA notifications. And important, for official seat allotment details, category wise cutoffs, visit KEA website. And your rank is just a number. Your choices decides your future. Plan smart, choose wisely, get the best. So even with a higher rank, MCA admission is possible. Don't lose your hope and try as much as more colleges as possible, and stay updated with this information, and subscribe for more updates about the colleges.